Hey there, future entrepreneurs. I'm Lois Threlkeld, and today we're delving into the incredible benefits of establishing an LLC for your real estate investing business or any other business. If you're diving into the world of entrepreneurship, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights to our channel, Ladies of Justice League. So, you're ready to launch your business. One of the most important decisions you can make is the right legal structure for your LLC. The LLC stands for Limited Liability Company, and it offers a lot of advantages for you. First of all, protection for your assets. Protect your assets separates you from your business activities. It's a shield around your personal assets so that your personal finances and property are separate from your business. If your business faces legal issues or debt, your personal assets are generally safe. Next, the value would be tax flexibility. So let's talk about taxes. An LLC is has a significant perk in that you can be flexible. It has flexibility in how you're taxed. So by default, it's a pass-through entity, which means profits and losses are reported on your personal tax return. However, you can also choose to be taxed as a corporation if it benefits your financial situation. So make sure you get advice from your CPA. And the other advantage I wanted to mention to you would be simplified record keeping. So running a business can be complicated, but an LLC simplifies some of the aspects. So you'll find fewer formalities compared to, say, a corporation. It often means less paperwork, leaving you more time to work on your investing activities, and that can be a very beneficial relief for busy entrepreneurs. Next, our launch program for your LLC offers you legal protection. An LLC enhances your legal protection, meaning it's a formal structure that can lend credibility to your business, which can be beneficial when you're dealing with clients, partners, lenders. It also provides flexible management. So, moreover, an LLC offers this flexibility in terms of management, so you can choose to manage it yourself or appoint a manager or managers to run the day-to-day operations. It's adaptable, so it makes it ideal for businesses of all sizes, small and large. Another benefit would be in attracting investors. Consider forming an LLC for your business. If you have any questions about this topic, share them in the comments below. Show your support by liking our video and subscribing for more valuable business insights. Thank you for joining me for Unlocking the Power of an LLC. It's all about empowering your journey as an entrepreneur. And until next time, take care. Remember to explore the advantages of an LLC for your business. Feel free, and I will see you soon. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com.